Lagos State government has withdrawn 76 police officers, military men attached to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. That was the news I woke up to yesterday. And it is a time, this is actually the time for me to ask Zion, my boss, this question. I never knew, Zion, that we have, in fact, that is even more than a police station. Yes, because I don't know the even Festac police. I'm not sure if there are up to 76 police officers right there in Festac police station. So what it means is that about 3 to 4 police stations put together is what the government, Lagos State government, has assigned to be on guard in Zion ground, and also following Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Wow, bravo. What a wonderful man. What a wonderful and a powerful man. Now, you can see how mischievous our people can be. You can see how mischievous our people can be. Now, to all of you who go to Zion, where are these 76 policemen scattered? Have you ever seen such number of policemen scattered around Zion ministry? It's a question I'm asking. Even when Evangelist Ebuka Obi is leaving Lagos on an important assignment, maybe in Ngopala or where, or even the day he went to what's the name? Even the day he went to agree that the governor himself, even the governor of his state, a governor of his state, do they have up to 76 police officers guarding them? That is to show you that our people are seriously losing it. Now, mind you, this video I am making is not about the number of police officers. I just decided to catch joke with it because I believe those people are just, the main point is federal government of Nigeria announced that they are going to withdraw all the police officers attached to VIPs in Nigeria. Put me, federal government of Nigeria announced that they are going to remove all the police officers attached to all the VIPs in Nigeria. I think they said that if as a VIP, if you need a security, you should go for Nigerian civil defense. Yes, Nigerian civil defense. Now, amid this news, the only VIP in Nigeria, that these men of underworld, that these men of end time and 21st century, 21st, what do they call it? This lost generation, the only VIP in Nigeria they can fish out is Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Does it mean that there is an underground plan? There is an underground plan, deliberately by some people to harm Evangelist Ebuka Obi? Does it mean that there is a plan going underground targeted at Evangelist Ebuka Obi? Because I don't understand why the news suddenly become excited to them. I don't know why they are being excited by this news. Why are they being excited? Is Evangelist Ebuka Obi the only VIP we have in Nigeria? This particular news extends to even some people in the political office. I saw a man in the Senate who was speaking against that order, saying that many of them are down and many will still go down by the pronouncement of this order by the federal government. Now, if you even have to be excited at this news, you have to be excited because of those politicians, those people who are politicians, who swore to protect life and the properties of people. Those people who are not active into political offices, but they are political players in the Nigerian political scene. You should be happy that those people will be made now to experience firsthand of what you and me have been experiencing in this country. But it's so sad that some of our people, their brain has been narrowed that the only problem they have in Nigeria is Christianity or religion. That they now have little or no time to even bother about their politicians or about our politicians who are being entrusted with the resources of me and you. They have your money, they have my money. They swore to protect me and you. The same thing with every other person. In fact, the resources is hanging on their finger, on their palm like this. But we disregard them. You go after men who are doing their own thing. Nigerian constitution states that everybody has right to religion. You have right to worship any god of your choice. So why do you have problem with somebody who is going about their different and various religious activities without involving you? It is not by force. I mean, people that go to Zion, they have never come to you to complain to you. They are satisfied with the result they are getting in Zion. You are the one who is not satisfied with the result you are getting in Nigeria. You are not satisfied with Nigeria as a country. You don't even have a single confidence where your political leaders is or are. So why are you using the energy you should be using? That energy you should be using to call out your political leaders. Why are you using it to call out a man whose members are 100% satisfied with? Did you get what I'm saying? You are not satisfied with this country, Nigeria. You are not happy with this country, Nigeria. You are not happy with your political leaders. You are not happy with your political leaders from all levels, and instead of you to use that time to call them out, you are wasting time calling out a man whose members, whose followers are more than 100% happy with. I don't know what to call it. Of all the VIPs in Nigeria, that obviously their security was withdrawn, the only person you have seen to make your top news is Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Our people are losing it. When I keep saying this, you don't understand. Our people are losing it. I don't know why religion seems to be the problem of some of the misguided youth in this our generation. I don't know why Christianity is started in the north. It started in the north when the other people, when they rise up against the Christians. Now it has come to the south and southeast. The cancer has come down even among our people. And I ask, which way forward? The devil indeed has risen up in these last days. The devil indeed has risen up in these last days, that you went out in the morning and you did not make any sale. Evangelist Ebuka Obi or Christianity. No be that problem, no be your problem. Oh. Tax and everything, all the bad government policy, that petrol price is high, that cement price is unaffordable, that all the prices of commodities, both consumable goods and they are going high, is based on government policies. And if there are people you need to call out, I wish some of you spend as much time as you spend calling out these pastors. I wish some of you spend as much as that time calling out your political leaders, even from your state house of assembly member. Nigeria would have been a better place for us to be. Yes, I am a Christian. I have never regretted it once. I believe in the ministry of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I have never regretted it once. The same way I believe in the ministry and calling of so many other pastors. You are free to believe. It's so sad that even some of you who call out these pastors, that they are your problems, they are telling you that Jesus Christ can do everything. You spend millions of naira going to these native doctors to go and do one or two. So what makes you different? What makes you different? If you are saying that Jesus Christ cannot make Nigeria to be better, why has your native doctor not made Nigeria to be better? And some of you who are celebrating, why did Evangelist Ebuka Obi, why is he using security officers? Why is he using security officers? Well, blah 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 blah. You are sick. You are sick. You are sick. Yeah? I see even those people who call themselves politicians celebrating the fact that see Nigerian pastors, they are carrying police everywhere. What of you, who is a Nigerian politician? What of you, who is a Nigerian politician, who on a daily basis report to the international communities and others that we have security in Nigeria and our security operatives are working hard? Why are you using why are you using police officers? Yes, in a state you are showing to people that it is very much secured. The day Nigerian youth will wake up, that day, the game that these politicians are playing will be over. Until then, I will see this as one of their plans and antics to instigate political, religious indifferences, which will eventually lead to what I don't want to mention the names here for the sake of Facebook. Why they are distracting you people with that, they will be busy parting away with our collective resources. Yes, that is what I see it as. How can somebody of all the VIPs in Nigeria, mostly those men who are big political players, you don't see something to celebrate there, that they will be made to pass through exactly what you are going through? Yes, the only person you singled out, the only VIP you singled out in Nigeria is Evangelist Ebuka Obi. You people are planning serious things against that man, but God is going to shame all of you. God is going to shame all of you. Zion, I'm asking you this question again. I never knew that there is a police station there in Zion Ministry, because 76 police officers in Agbo police station. I'm not sure if there are more than 30 or 35 police officers stationed there, or 40 police officers stationed there. So how come we have over 76, and that's excluding the men of the Nigerian military? Yeah? This is how far our people can go, chasing shadows. Misplaced priority, that is what I call it. Misplaced priority, that is what I call it. Spending time and energy on something that is entirely not your business. Nigeria is your business. Nigeria should be your business, because that is your country. There is no law, or there is no policy, there is no rule set in Zion that is going to be binding on you, except if you are a member of Zion Ministry. So now that you are not a member of Zion Ministry, what is the headache you are having in that particular congregation called Zion Ministry? But there is no single rule, there is no single law, policy in this country called Nigeria that is not binding you. So why is it that you don't have problem with the activities of our political office holders? You don't have any problem with our government, but you are disregarding it, and you are going to where you don't have business with. Some of you have not even gotten deeper into that victory estate where Zion is. So what is your headache? What is your headache? Evangelist Ebuka Obi must be protected at all cost. Evangelist Ebuka Obi must be protected at all cost. Why God is doing his part protecting him, we men should do our own part protecting him also. Yes, yes. For that, we can't be talking about spirituality alone when we are existing in the physical realm. Yes, we leave things of the spirit for the spirit, and things of the flesh, we do it physical. Share this video.